Hey guys, it's Rick and Lisa, and on today's video we're going to tour the brand new REI Basecamp 20 Airstream, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. So Lisa and I are at the Hershey RV show here in Hershey, Pennsylvania, and we're really excited to tour the all-new 2024 REI Basecamp edition. So Lisa, this is a collaboration between Airstream and REI. Yeah, so you know, there is a lot of interest in the Basecamp travel trailers, and for a lot of great reasons. You know, if you're looking to get into camping and you really want an Airstream, but you're looking for something that is ideal for those weekend trips, or even you know moderate length road trips, I think the REI Basecamp 20 is a great option for you. So we're gonna go ahead and check this out. We'll give you a full tour, kind of give you some of our thoughts and ideas on this new rig, and go from there. So Lisa, so the Basecamp 20 REI edition is a new edition for 2024.
Right.
Yeah, so but did you know that the Basecamp is the most sought after Airstream on the internet?
I can see that.
Yeah.
It could be for a small family, weekend getaway, single person. It's really nice.
A lot of really nice upgrades and features in here.
I like the green.
Yeah, that's the REI branded interior design.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
Got a nice sized bathroom.
Oh yeah, nice size bathroom. It's got gray. Bathroom's gray. Almost looks like stone.
Yeah, that is very nice. So Lisa, tell me a little bit about the galley area.
It's actually pretty big. It really is. You can see probably 6 around the table, maybe more.
Yeah, really nice size seating area, and then really love these panoramic windows where you can get some great views out there. But so as far as the kitchen goes,
let's see, the refrigerator. Push down. Oh, it's got a really good size refrigerator.
Yeah, you could
it's pretty deep.
Yeah, you could really put a lot of food in here for a nice weekend trip, or even an extended road trip.
Yeah.
And then of course you've got the microwave up top.
It's got nice size pantry. It's got nice 2 burners. It's got a deep sink.
Yeah, really large sink. Yeah. You could do a lot of dishes in there.
Your fresh water here, and then your city water. Is that what those are?
Well, one's for your washing dishes, and I think the other one is, like you said,
your drinking water. Oh, and your outlets. That's nice.
That's real handy. Kind of pop out outlet.
And then is this just for storage, I'm assuming? Yeah,
just up top you got some nice netting up there to put some storage, blankets, pillows, or whatever you want to up there.
And it's got down here, it's got netting for storage too.
Yeah, I like that feature as opposed to having doors, just because you don't have to worry about hinges or latches breaking and things like that. So I think it also gives it a nice aesthetic look to it as well.
It does. Nice open feel.
Yeah, and that back hatch is just great for being able to load up a mountain bike or kayaks back here. And then you can see it's got the rubber coined flooring as well as the L-Tracks bracket on there that allows you then to secure your equipment. And if you look underneath the seating here, you've got your tables that you can install on the floor mounts, and then this area here makes out into beds as well for sleeping. And then of course it's got air conditioner up here on the roof as well. So all the comforts of home, and I think that clearly shows why this is probably the most sought after Airstream available. It's the most popular model and floor plan of Airstream.
Very nice.
So another great feature of the REI Basecamp is that you've got a lot of great under seating storage. So as you look down here, you can put all types of gear down here: camping gear, chairs, food, bedding, clothing, or whatever it is. So yeah, there's a lot of great storage options inside of this rig. So Lisa, what are the top 3 features that you like about the REI Basecamp?
I like the color scheme. I love the panoramic windows up front. And And I like where the plug is that pops up.
Yeah, I think those are all great features in the Basecamp. For me, I really like the new tires and wheels that they've put on it. I think those are really nice. I like the idea, the option of being able to get a solar package installed with factory lithium batteries. I think that's something that many owners would like to have on their Basecamp.
Yeah.
As well as I think it's a great addition that they now have a power jack up front. That just makes setup and camping just so much easier whenever you're out and about trying to get set up. So yeah, overall I think this is a great option.
It really is.
Would definitely consider buying a Basecamp if we ever decided we wanted to get a second Airstream. What do you think?
Yeah, I agree.
This would be the perfect weekend option.
It really would.
So just some of the base specs on the Basecamp 20X is it'll sleep up to 4 people, has a fresh tank of 24 gallons, a black tank of 21 gallons, and a gray tank of 28 gallons. The interior colors of this model is terra firma. Gross vehicle weight is 4,300 pounds, and the hitch weight is 500 pounds. I think that's a really great size for people that don't have large tow vehicles, that maybe have an SUV or some other type of daily driver but still want to have the ability to tow a small to mid-size Airstream whenever they go out camping. So yeah, really nice option for those in the market for an Airstream. Hey guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. Hopefully you like this quick review on the REI Basecamp 20X 2024 model. If you have any questions or comments, leave those in the comment section below. If you like this content, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps us out. If you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing to our channel. We'd love to have you follow along. And if we don't hear from you, hopefully we'll see you down the road.
See you down the road.